Based on the provided search results, here are the key benefits of ginger for children. I personally love ginger and was interested in what health benefits ginger could provide to kids. 1. Ginger improves digestion and relieves gas, bloating. Ginger stimulates digestive enzymes and helps relieve intestinal gas, bloating, and constipation in children. 2. Reduces nausea and vomiting. Ginger has anti-emetic properties that can help prevent and reduce vomiting episodes in children with acute gastroenteritis or motion sickness. 3. Boosts immunity. The antiviral and antibacterial compounds in ginger may enhance the body's immune response and help fight respiratory infections like colds and flu in children. Ginger acts as an expectorant, helping to clear mucus and relieve coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory problems in kids. Ginger can help soothe upset stomachs and reduce stomach pain in children when consumed as juice or tea. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger may help reduce inflammation in the body and provide relief from conditions like arthritis. The studies suggest that ginger is generally safe for children over 2 years old when consumed in appropriate doses, with few side effects like mild heartburn or mouth irritation in some cases. However, it's advisable to consult a pediatrician before giving ginger supplements to infants or introducing it to a child's diet, especially those with existing medical conditions. We hope you found this information useful, and we plan to add more uploads, including recipes, to the channel's Natural Remedies playlist. Thank you for watching and learning about the many health benefits of ginger. Thank you.